Hi everyone, I'm Ellie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own vision board. So the first thing that you're going to need is something to put your images on. I've gone for a pin board, a massive pin board. I think I'm going to do half of it my vision board and then the other half all of my memories and things. The next thing I've got is my pins, just a pin on the pin board. Obviously if you're going to use anything else it'll just be tape or glue. And then finally just a notepad and a pen. So the first step to doing your vision board is just going to be writing down all of the different sections you would like to include. The sections I've decided to choose are family, hobbies, career or uni, travel, love and lifestyle. For the next stage, you're just going to be filling in each of those sections. I've done mine. And you can just write in each of your goals or aspirations, what you would like to happen in the future. It's important to really think about these things and write them in the present tense as if they're already happening. Okay, so that's steps 1 and 2 complete. The next stage is going to be sitting and picking all of the images that you would like on your vision board. I've decided I'm going to sit and have a look through Pinterest and put all of the images into the sections I've chosen, such as love, lifestyle, family, and see where I get from there. I feel like I'm going to put the Mamma Mia soundtrack on while I do it as well. Okay, so after you put them all onto your Pinterest groups, the next step is moving them across into a Word document so that you can print them all out. So the next step is to cut out all of your images and pop them in their piles ready to be placed on. Now you just want to add your pins to hold it into place. So I've just finished my board. This is the end result. I just added some more pins and things. You can kind of tweak it how you need to. I hope you loved today's video and thank you so much for watching. Go give Carbon a follow on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and we'll see you soon.